Hi guys! So RS Adventures is back again with another vlog. Time check, it's 4:50 in the morning and we're traveling south. Bibisitahin namin yung tita niya. Yes, we're traveling again going to Quezon Province. So excited na ba kayo? Let's go!
Lying in my bed, I hear the clock ticking. Think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after, sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I can't hear what you have said. And you say, go slow, and I fall behind. The second hand unwind. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. After my picture fades and darkness has turned to gray. Watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. And secrets stolen from deep inside, and the drum beats out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. Then you say, go slow, and I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. Oh, if you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. Time after time.
Hi guys!
Time after time.
Lagos. Time check, it's 7 na. So, punta na kami sa Arco ng Infanta. Nakaligtasan sa cellphone. We've arrived in Infanta, Quezon around 7:30 in the morning. So, hindi na rin kami nagtagal niyan kasi ang dami na ring tao. Tapos, dito na rin kasi yung year-end ride namin last 2023. You can watch our vlogs on our Facebook and YouTube channel. So, kahit late na nga kami umalis, tingnan nyo naman, naabutan pa rin namin yung fog. Time check, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Ayan, grabe napakaganda. Asan tayo? Paano ko pala makikita yung sarili ko?
Dito okay mo alam, para makita ko.
So time check, it's ano oras na?
11:55.
It's 11:55. Nandito kami sa Kamay ni Jesus. Yan, Kamay ni Jesus. Sa may, saan po ba?
What?
Lukban.
Lukban.
Lukban, Quezon. Actually, nakapunta na kami dito last time. Pero, dito kami nag-video. Sana hindi umulan. Ang haba. Guys, for the vlog, yung mga versions. Wala masyadong tao, oh my god. Buti naman. Ayaw ng mga tao. Very nice. Very peaceful. Ang ganda ng church dito, di ba? Pumasok tayo dati sa church. Mataas yan. Hindi natin yan inakyat.
Cut natin.
Inakyat natin yan?
Alam ko.
Hindi natin yan inakyat. Hindi natin yan inakyat, B.
Cut natin.
No, dito lang tayo. Alam ko yon. Nagpicture lang tayo, hindi natin yan inakyat. Ngayon, aakyatin ba namin para magising ang dugo namin yun? Kasi inaantok na kami. Isang oras pa na. Taas. Kaya ba natin yun? Punta muna tayo. Punta muna kami na church. So, ito yung church. Napakaganda ng church. So, akyatin namin. Oh my God. Kikita niyo ba yung mga mukha namin? Fresh, diba? Mamaya. For the hula.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
So, ito rin. Visit. So, ngayon lang kami akyat dito kasi last time pagod din kami. So, ngayon, susubukin na. Naya nga ako.
Nakakahiya kasi.
I-volume ko na lang to, ha? So, dito yung church na pinuntahan namin last time sa loob, kaya lang sarado. Para mapapa-CR ulit pagkatapos. Magsalita ako. Okay na yan. Level 2. May mga story ata yung kada floor. Pwede pala dun ang sikat. Kumikot ata.
A few moments later.
Ay, Diyos ko. Ano ba naman yun? Napakataas ng mga kabang. Panata po ba ito?
Para mabawasan ang kasalanan mo, ang kulit mo!
Pagod na yung driver ko.
Parang may problema ka.
Konti na lang. Kamusta po?
Kaya. Ayoko na.
Shut up. Ayan na, pinako na sila. Pagod na ang mga person. Sabi mag-ride tayo. Sabi mag-exercise tayo. Hindi tayo nag-jeans.
Masyado kang mareklamo. Gusto mo na umuwi?
Yan na, malapit na tayo sa ending.
2,000 years later.
Ayan. Ay, dito na kami. Diyos ko. Grabe yung bawis ko. Tapos makawalan dalang tubig.
Day 2.
Good morning, guys. Hi guys, so it's 6:45. Iikot lang kami saglit. So let's go. Let's go.
I control away the pieces that you gave, betray in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now it's just gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go and die, but I already died. Try to latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes its line. It's a new journey, my heart has had enough of pain.
Hi guys! Time check. It's 12 na. 12 na. Tapos mamaya mag-a-ice na kami. Tapos bili pa sa lubong and then, uwi na. Dito na lang rin kayo. Hit subscribe, like, and share our adventure. Pero wait lang. Mamaya pa. May clip pa kami mamaya.
Shut you out. You gave me a lesson not to go and die, not to go and die, not to go and die, not to go and die.
just like this, hit like, share, and subscribe RS Adventures. See you on our next vlog. Thank you!